The Netherlands Spoorwegen produced the twin-axle diesel shunting locomotives in the years 1934 to 1951 from the manufacturer Wegspoor. In the 1970s, 15 of these engines were equipped with mobile cranes. The SIG model impresses through the accurate to-scale implementation with finest engravings, freestanding handle rails, and a clear view through the driver's cab. This is truly a masterpiece considering the small size of this shunting locomotive. A further highlight is the digitally switchable shunting coupling. It can be used to couple and decouple the cars to be shunted at any point on the railway tracks. The onboard decoder offers many prototypical light and sound functions. The headlights can be switched on or off individually, independent of the direction of travel. The flashing light on the roof and the shunting light on both sides can also be switched. The locomotive superstructures made of die-cast zinc ensure good traction. In addition, the wheels of the powered axle are equipped with traction tires. The authentic-looking, fully movable crane and roof superstructure on this model are also highly impressive. If the digital coupling is not used, it can be replaced with the standard shaft enclosed. The parts required for the showcase model are also included.